Today, I'm going to tell you where you can buy a VEO3 Ultra account promo code with 25,000 credits at a very low price. As you can see on the screen, I have also purchased these promo codes at a cheaper rate. With this, you will also get an account warranty, which makes it even more reliable. So make sure to watch this video till the end, because I will show you exactly how to buy this promo code step by step. First of all, you need to open Google Chrome and search for xfatty.net. As soon as you search, a tools website will open where you can buy many different tools at very low prices. You will also see an option to join their WhatsApp channel, so make sure to join that as well. After that, scroll down a little and you will find a section called Claim a Free Account. There, you need to enter the promo code that you have purchased. Once you click on Claim, your account login details will be displayed. As soon as you receive your VEO3 Ultra account login, which is shown on your screen, simply copy the details. Then, open a new tab and log in to the account. After logging in, you will see 25,000 credits in your account, which you can use without any issues. On xfatty.net, you can buy tools and promo codes at very low prices. If you face any issues, you can easily contact the admin through the website and get your problem resolved.